What's up, guys? Look what we got.
This came in the mail today. You can't really tell what it is right away, but by the size,
You know what it is.
you might know what it is.
If you watched the last video, you know what it is.
This box looks like it was in the Ford factory in 1989.
I need a gimbal. Gimbal.
Ooh. Ow. You're gonna break it. How? 'Cause everything you touch gets broken, dude.
Well, who's the one who broke it?
You have a point there, don't you? Okay, I'm gonna try to get this other old one out.
And who's the one who doesn't know how to read a book?
That's fair enough too.
He read the wrong torque spec. He read 65, 75. It's supposed to only be 18 to 24.
Now we have a spare one. You're right.
But after we get that
Normally I
piston
would
back
have
in,
changed out of some of my nice work clothes, but
Are all the other ones torqued to like 20?
yeah, the other ones are all torqued down.
so I loosened all the other ones up.
Why?
No, we never torqued the other ones all the way down to
No,
40.
we torqued them down,
23.
and it's 23, not 40. You gotta break them.
I know.
They're all torqued. Rylan can check again. Not that one. That one's broken.
This was the only cylinder that we did to 40, right?
New torque wrench from Harbor Freight.
Only the best.
Wait, that one broke at 40, and you thought it was supposed to be 75?
Be smart.
Did I say it was supposed to be 75?
Yeah.
Yeah, you said 75. I told you to do 40 first,
They broke at
because
40,
you don't
yeah.
want to go straight to
What size were
75. 1/2, I think.
Okay, do I need to like get those set in all the way, or are they just gonna get set when we tighten?
They'll get set in.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna. Oh, we gotta.
Look what I got. This mirror does not reflect.
Is that mirror real?
20?
It's not even a mirror. It's a window.
That's a mirror.
Look what I got. So these heads, you can see right there, there's a leak and there's a little channel worn into the head. So we're gonna get these heads resurfaced so we can't assemble the block the rest of the way. Should have noticed that earlier, but we didn't.
That head looks a lot better. At first glance, at least.
That one has the same thing right there and right there. I don't know, if you still want to just clean these up, you can just clean them up and put them back on, but
I'll give the shop a call and see what they want. It might be worth it, honestly.
see coolant was leaking in that one.
Especially if they can clean up the rust from the coolant channels.
Yeah, they can. They're clean all that.
Like,
They put it in the solvent bath and clean all of that.
it'd be worth it.
And they check your valves and everything for you. But now we got all the pistons in, all
So
the connecting
can we
rods.
still put the lower end together?
Yeah, you could.
Personally. Okay.
You want to? What time is it?
6:01.
What time?
You can work on it tomorrow night.
And we're off at 6. So that's
Oh.
when I'm gonna go shower and get ready and stuff.
It's 6:01.
Well, I earn at 7.
Oh,
It's 6. We have 1 more hour.
well, we can put together the bottom if you want.
Let's do it. Full send.
Okay. Oil pump. Wait. Couldn't find this right bit. I remember.
What can I find? Oh,
That small Torx bit. I don't know if we have that. If this camera will focus. It's like a really small Torx bit.
Smaller than your 240?
Yeah.
Okay. How much smaller?
It's like
It
a
looks like a
T.
T25 or a T30.
230. You wanna run the Ace?
Not really.
No?
Wait, you want to come over tomorrow night? Don't you have your kit? Yeah, let's do that.
We'll do that.
Rylan has a tool set and he has those bits that we need. So we might just clean up the heads and assemble it tomorrow. Haven't decided yet. We'll call the shop tomorrow. See how much they charge.
We don't need an outro. This isn't even the. We aren't
Oh
even.
shit, we're gonna film tomorrow and make an outro.
Yeah.
You're right, dog.
I mean, I could make an outro right now for tomorrow, but I don't really want to.
There you go.
Gnarly.
Why'd you start it?
What?
Why'd you start it?
Wire brush to clean that off, Tom?
I thought you wanted it.